In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a survey and questionnaire using Google Forms. Whether you're gathering information for a school project, planning an event, or seeking feedback on a product, Google Forms offers a versatile and easy way to create surveys and questionnaires. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you need to access Google Forms. Open your web browser and type Google Forms in the search bar. Click on the link that takes you to Google's survey software. If required, sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, it's a simple process to create a new account, and you'll find yourself in the Google Forms user interface quite quickly. Once you're in Google Forms, you can either choose a template from the gallery or select a blank form to start from scratch. For beginners, starting with a blank form gives you a great opportunity to learn the fundamentals of Google Forms. You'll see a simple interface with a title and description field. This is your chance to name your survey and offer a brief overview or introduction. Clearly stating your purpose will help set expectations for your respondents. Next, it's time to add questions. Click on the + icon to add a new question. Google Forms offers various types of questions such as multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and linear scales, among others. Select the format that best suits the information you hope to collect. For a multiple choice question, write your question in the provided field and enter the possible answers. You can also make questions required by toggling the switch. This ensures you collect all the necessary information from every participant. As you build your survey, pay attention to the user experience. Adding section breaks can make your form easier to navigate, especially if it's long. Look for the icon with 2 horizontal lines to create these breaks. Sections can include their own headers and descriptions, which can provide context or instructions for the questions that follow. Once you've added your questions, take advantage of Google Forms design features. Click on the Painter's Palette icon to customize the color scheme. And if you want, add an image to reflect your survey's theme or brand. This is a chance to make your survey visually engaging. Before sending your form, it's wise to preview it. Click the eye icon to see how your survey will appear to respondents. This step is crucial to catch any errors or awkward question phrasing. You can test all features and flow at this stage. Finally, when you're satisfied with the survey, it's time to distribute it. Hit the Send button. You'll have several options here. You can send it via email, create a link to share, or even embed it on a website. Choose the method that matches your audience's needs best. And there you have it. You now know how to create a survey and questionnaire in Google Forms. With practice, you'll get even faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.